back. So as you can see, this is going to be another clean with me, and this time it is going to be my master bedroom. And it's not like totally like messy, junky, but it's messy and junky enough for me to feel like I need to clean it up. So I'm going to bring you guys along once again, and I am thinking about making this like a little mini series, maybe like weekly cleaning videos. I don't want to bombard you with like, oh, she keeps cleaning up the same old mess over and over, but I am going to go possibly like room by room, and or either like cluster it up and do like bedrooms and all that stuff. But yeah, so again, get your mop, get your broom, get your bucket, and come on along and clean with me. And oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe for more content that is coming soon. You guys are gonna love it. All right, let's do it. I'm not gonna do much talking in this video. I'm just gonna let the work speak for itself and kind of let you guys listen to the music and just get all motivated and ease your minds. But you'll see here I am taking everything off the bed like I like to do with my couches downstairs, so that I can start with a clean slate and just make it look all nice and neat. I struggle so much with this particular comforter and duvet. I cannot for the life of me find a comforter that is like long enough for this big thick mattress. If you have one, could you leave in the comments below, like, what are you using? Like, what's a good place for me to get one? this dresser is another story, okay? This was a labor of love. Me and my husband were feeling all Pinterest inspired. It didn't turn out like we thought, but we still have her. She's serving her purpose. Y'all, I was so sweaty after vacuuming. Like, I was tired. Okay, if you can tell, I'm trying not to look tired, but I am. I'm gonna say it's that sun beaming in right there. That's what I'm gonna say. Okay guys, this is it. My master all clean, all tidy, everything put away. just the way I like it. My mirror's all clean, no little handprints from my little person. Dresser's all cleaned off. It's just, ooh, it feels so good. But I do thank you guys for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.